Hello and welcome to Daily Tech Tutor. In this video, I'm going to tell you how to track version history in any of the AI documented edited document. For example, let's take Google Docs. So let's get started with the video. So basically, once you have opened any of the Google Docs and you want to track the version history, how you can do that? At the upper left corner, you will see an option of files. You need to click on files, and when you will scroll down, you will see another option that is of version history. It will give two options. If you want to name the current version, you can just name it, but we need to see the version history. So you can also use the keypad shortcut, that is Control plus Alt plus Shift plus H, or this will be the easiest steps. Click on see version history. So once you've clicked on that, here you can see all the changes that has been made, including the time and date. You can scroll down till the end, and here there will be the date and time mentioned, and also the person name who have made changes to the particular document. You can click on this all version. If there is a named version, you have given a name to that version, you can click on name version and check. So these are the steps in which you can check this. You can see this total 3 edits. You can click on basically this 3 edits and check who have made the edit to this changes. If any of the images been added to this doc, for example, here you can see the name of that particular person and also with the time. So if the tutorial was helpful, please like and subscribe.